82 days. That's how long this Central Florida home sat on the market. Listed, shown, and forgotten. Buyers loved the layout, but not the repairs. Agents said it had potential, but lenders saw problems. Then, after one professional inspection and a clear renovation plan, everything changed. The same home that couldn't get the offer for nearly 3 months sold in just 7 days without a single price reduction. And here's how. The property was a 2001 single-family home, about 1,270 square feet, with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, listed for $210,000. It wasn't falling apart, but it showed its age. Faded paint, worn flooring, outdated finishes, and small safety issues that kept buyers from seeing the bigger picture. The seller's challenge wasn't the market, it was the confidence. When homes feel like projects, buyers kind of hesitate, especially those using FHA loans. To uncover what was really holding this home back, the seller ordered a pre-listing inspection with ProInspect Solutions. And right away, the results were eye-opening. A roof near the end of its life with active wear, an HVAC system running inefficiently and leaking, outlets missing proper GFCI protection near water sources, peeling exterior paint, a major FHA red flag for potential lead exposure, missing smoke detectors, loose handrails, and signs of minor plumbing leaks. In total, to bring the home into full FHA compliance, safe and sound and secure, the required repair cost was estimated around $35,500. After reviewing the inspection report, our team built a detailed feasibility study that outlined both required repairs and value-boosting upgrades, helping the seller make strategic, informed choices. FHA required repairs came up to $35,500. Full replacement to eliminate leaks and protect structure, new HVAC system with modern energy efficiency equipment, electrical safety updates like GFCI outlets, smoke detectors, and corrected wiring, minor plumbing corrections for functionality and drainage, exterior paint and sealing that protect from weather, and it helps meet safety standards. Door and window repairs to ensure proper locks and weather tightness. Once FHA-ready work was planned, we turned the design and presentation because buyers don't just want compliance, they want connection. The seller chose to invest an additional $31,500 in targeted upgrades that will elevate the home from acceptable to exceptional. In the kitchen, laminate countertops were replaced with granite, cabinets were repainted in a modern neutral with new brushed nickel handles, and all new stainless steel appliances were installed. The bathrooms received new vanities, updated fixtures, reglazed tubs, bright mirrors, and waterproof LPV flooring. Throughout the living room, bedrooms, and hallways had worn laminate was swapped for luxury vinyl plank, durable, attractive, and moisture resistant. Every room got new LED light fixtures, providing energy savings and modern appeal. And finally, a new fresh coat interior and exterior paint gave the home that just-built look buyers instantly connect with. Altogether, between the FHA required work and design upgrades, the total investment reached $67,000, a well-planned reinvestment into a $210,000 asset that would soon show its worth in the quick near future. After renovations, the difference was night and day. Outside, curb appeal came alive. A brand new roof, a bright new paint, and crisp landscaping. Inside, the kitchen and living spaces flowed beautifully. Bathrooms sparkled, and the home finally reflected its true value. The updated property not only passed FHA standards with ease, but it also spoke to a wider pool of qualified buyers ready to move fast. With all the work completed, the after repair value was appraised around $280,000, comfortably within the FHA loan limit for Orange County, Florida. That's a $70,000 value increase achieved through strategy and not speculation. So when relisted, the home attracted multiple showings. Within days, it went under contract in 7 days flat. The listing that once felt forgotten was now in demand, clean, move-in ready, and FHA approved. This case proves what every seller should know. Price isn't the only lever, preparation is. When you identify issues early, repair what matters, and present your home at its best, buyers don't hesitate. They compete. If your listing is city, don't lower the price, raise the standard. Visit ProInspectSolutions.com to learn how our Listed Like New service helps sellers plan smarter, sell faster, and qualify more buyers. Because the difference between 82 days and 7 days is one inspection away.